I was the mom. I was the cat mom. For 3. And one of the, and then there was this one more cat that just randomly appeared at the door. So I don't know if someone placed it there because they're like, oh yeah, that family loves cats. So it just appeared. It was like just there sitting. It's like, I want to be part of the family. Ooh. Ooh, this is a coffee place called... Look. Heritage Collection on Arab. That's pretty cool. Oh, they also stopped. That's quite cool. But again, I just already had coffee though. I think she just like made it so nice. Tea with milk, tea pudding. Look, it's so nice. I need to concentrate more on the tea. Tea. No, we're about to go inside the market. I'm just taking a very long way in. Long and slow. There we go. Na 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 na. Na na na. Okay. It's getting hard to breathe. Yeah, because of the damn pigeon. Type 1 if you hate pigeon like me. Say no to pigeons. Oh. Ugh. What? A bunch of you guys like pigeons? Weird. Why? What? I don't understand. Was somebody in the chat actually that bird lady? You know who prevented me from crossing? I couldn't cross. This one lady got her bread and then just started throwing it all over the streets. Oh, you won't pass. No. I don't even know if I'm going the right way now. My sense of direction is not the best, but I feel like I may have messed up. Is that how you're gonna do it? It was the bird dude that helped Kevin in Home Alone. Bird people are good people. Is that how it is? Where am I? Feel like I should go back. Or I'm gonna go this way. Maybe that will do something. I don't know. Oh. He's a fast chatter. I'm working an appetite, okay, chat? I'm getting lost on purpose so that I can eat. Don't you know the plan? That's the game plan. Hole. Hole. There's a hole. Can you guys please acknowledge the hole? Hole. Hello.
Hello.
Hole.
Study the Ergo calculation. Okay, then? It's really correct. Came out.
Yes, hole. Hole. Okay. I think now everyone knows there's a hole. We saw the unfortunate hole.
You're looking at me so long, but you don't.
Wow, what a hole. Exactly. I have to say, I have a sharp eye. You know? That's why I was destined to be an outdoor streamer. I catch everything.